healthy eating habits
need to
proper digestion of food. This makes you healthy and strong. You must follow the healthy habits as listed below. Washing your hands
properly
both before and after eating food.
Yes. Okay, there are two things we need to understand: the healthy habits in terms of digestion, the healthy habits in terms of excretion, because we are learning two systems in this chapter 3, that is digestive system and excretory system. So we learned why the chewing is necessary, essential, and we learned why drinking of water is essential. Now coming to habits, healthy habits in terms of digestion, what are all the healthy habits, and in terms of excretion, what are all the healthy habits we are learning. So we have started with Monica. She said that initially we need to start with washing our hands properly before eating and after eating. Yes. Next point.
Eating junk foods. Do not drink a lot of water while eating. Eat food rich in
Fibers.
Fibers such as fruits and vegetables.
Avoid refined white flour.
White flour. Eat chapati made
From whole wheat flour.
Include
Multigrain bread.
in your diet. Eat
Sprouted moong.
on grams.
Gram seeds.
They are rich in nutrients. This helps in good
Bowel. Yes. Children, as the habits you can easily understand, first is washing well before and after food. That is the first point for good digestion to happen. Second, we have to have the clean plate. Whatever the washing vessels is done, also later when you pick the vessel for eating, for putting the food, you need to wipe it well, okay, with a clean cloth or the paper cloth. Please wipe it well, paper tissue, and then you can serve yourself whatever food is available. Then you need to have the balanced diet, as we discussed in the chapter 1, food we eat, where all the essential nutrients must be present on a plate. If all the essential nutrients, all the 5 fats, carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, roughage and water is also not there, also some nutrition which is good for your health, nutritious food, consume that on that plate. All right. Next, what was the point we understood? We need to avoid drinking water. As I told, water is essential. That doesn't mean every now and then kara agide, it is very spicy, you start drinking water. No. If you drink in between the meals lots of water, the digestion will not happen properly. The chewing will not happen properly. It should be dry enough in the mouth to chew well, and then you should eat well, and then later you should drink water for the passage. Understood? Okay. In between meals, ಊಟ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ please don't drink water. Then you should include more of fibrous foods. Why we want fibrous foods like fruits and vegetables and all the leafy vegetables is just to add bulk to the food, okay, and that bulk which is added in the digestion in the food, that helps in the proper excretory process in the proper bowel movement in the body. Understood, children? Okay. Any doubts here? How to have the healthy habits? Is it clear? Okay, we'll see further what are the healthy habits for excretion.
Healthy habits related to excretion. You should follow certain healthy habits so that waste material does not remain in our body for a long time. Drink plenty of water will help in the proper removal of waste from our body. Drink at least 7 or 8 glasses of water every day. You should never withhold uranus for a long time because that might make you fall sick. Waste material should be removed from your body at regular intervals through urine.
Okay. Here, as you know, 7 to 8 glasses of water is essential to drink water for the easy movement of the digested food in the intestine, and then it should be removed every now and then, every time to time out of the body, the excretory products like urine and feces. And otherwise, as I told, if it is stored, you will have the sickness, you will have the discomfort in the body, and this is all the regular intervals you should happen, that is removal of feces and removal of waste. That is the main intention of chewing well and the healthy habits of digestion and excretion. Here ends the chapter. Any doubt, children?